Hi everyone, it's a happy Diwali guys, happy DEEPAVALI. So we're here. Alright guys, so we're here in downtown San Antonio. As you guys can see, a lot of people. This was one of the great events that we were waiting for, and we wanted to share this with you guys. I hope you enjoy Diwali out there where you are. And yeah, so
I know in America it's been a little bit behind. I think 2 weeks behind.
Look
Hey, look at the sound. Hey guys, you guys can see we are here. Diwali function. We're celebrating. There's 4,000 people in this arena. You guys can see there's some food vendors, music.
So we're gonna go ahead and start walk around and show you guys what they have here. I know there's a lot of food and a lot of things going on, but we're gonna walk around and show you guys. All right.
Yeah. Guys, you guys can see so many people, guys.
Yeah, it's a little bit spicy.
Chicken 65, guys.
This is the Pakistani style, I think, because it's too soggy. It's not dry like the way we serve in
that's
Tamil Nadu.
But you know what? The thing I like about it is not too spicy. Like really, right? It's not too spicy.
It looks spicy. It looks spicy.
Guys, we are enjoying our Diwali function here. Thank you for everyone to watching this video, guys. எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. எல்லாரும் தமிழ்ல பேசுறது ரொம்ப கோவிச்சுக்கிறீங்க.
Alright guys, I forgot to say that this is the first time recording Diwali functions here in San Antonio, Texas. The first time we came here, we were just moved here from California and we did not get a chance to record, but this is like a first time experiencing a lot of people, a lot of food, you know, like a lot of other cultures people are here too, like different people. It's really diverse, you know. Everybody's enjoying this Diwali, so it's really a function of light, you know. Everybody comes together and enjoy this beautiful time. Yeah, so again, happy Diwali to everyone out there. So, all right.
Guys.
Hi guys, this was really wonderful. It's a little bit late right now, and so we decided to head home right now since Prince is not feeling well. But it was so awesome to try some good food. I tried chicken 65,
And a good
and
biryani.
guess what? Killian didn't like it, so Killian ate a lot and ended up throwing
No,
up. He was chewing really faster, and then he ended up
eating
throwing
faster.
up. So
But he's fine.
yes, guys. All right.
You look good.
Everyone look good
at me,
except
guys.
except
me.
Papa.
Look at me. I don't have an Indian outfit.
It's okay. Tomorrow we are invited to another functions, and we will definitely show.
I want to go to wear a suit. She's gonna wear Indian clothes, but that's fine.
We will show that. We will make sure that we share that with you guys too as well.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for
watching.
So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. This was a really great. We wanted to share our Diwali video with you, with everyone, especially this year. It was one of our first year. All right, guys. So thank you
you so
again
much,
for
guys.
watching this video. If you're new to this channel,
Subscribe to our
we
channel.
are Ramen Pie. Share a lot of videos, a lot of our lifestyle together. So yes, go ahead and subscribe to our video, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye guys.